going back in time, you guys. Hey y'all, just wanted to pop in really quick here and let you know that after this episode we will be continuing our regularly scheduled programming. We've been taking a little break through the holidays and everything, and now after this bonus episode we are going to be starting season 2. So a lot of national parks coming up and just a lot of cool stuff. So we hope you'll stick with us because we have so much more to show you. We hope you enjoy this bonus episode. Recently, we had a trip to Hot Springs National Park planned, and once the travel day got closer, we realized that the KOA that we had previously booked looked a little like it wasn't going to be the best option for our big rig. So, we began looking for alternate campgrounds. We immediately noticed a new RV park that we didn't see when we originally booked, and it was in the perfect location. So we switched our reservation, and we were so glad that we did. Finish Line RV Park opened in the summer of 2023, only minutes from the 2 biggest attractions in Hot Springs and very close to so much more. If you follow Central Avenue south through the National Park, you will make one quick turn to find yourself in the park within 7 minutes, and Oaklawn Racing Casino Resort is practically next door. But more on that later. Location is a huge reason to book this park, but there is so much more to talk about. Finish Line RV Park is the only gated park in Hot Springs, so guests will never need to think about security. Once inside, you'll notice the brand new concrete pads, full hookups, picnic table, and modern fire pit at each site. They even provide a service where they will come and start your fire for you if desired. The bathhouses are sparkling clean with new laundry equipment, a vending machine, and a big TV. Check this out. There is a dog park for your furry friends, and one of our favorite amenities was the super fast Wi-Fi. We've been traveling full-time for over a year and a half now, and this was the fastest campground Wi-Fi that we've encountered. So great for those of us who work on the road. From the moment we arrived, we were welcomed by the park managers, and they made us feel at home with their impeccable service. We spent a lot of time chatting with them, and they helped us with dining recommendations and things to do. Our kids also loved playing with their kids. Now, I mentioned Oaklawn earlier, and if you're a horse lover, there is truly no better way to experience Oaklawn than by staying here at Finish Line. We didn't get to try this service, but if you're there during the races, they will pick you up at your site and drop you at the front gate. How cool is that? Outside of Oaklawn and Hot Springs National Park, there are also tons of convenient activities, restaurants, and places to shop. We will show you a bit of the National Park and our excursion to Lake Catherine State Park in just a minute. And we also visited Walmart nearby several times for items that we needed. Before we show you some previews of our experience touring Hot Springs attractions, I just want to mention that if this RV park doesn't currently have the particular amenity that you need, go ahead and make a note to check them out again down the road, because they have more development phases in store for all of this area that surrounds the park. Alright, now it's time to show you around Hot Springs, Arkansas. super cool. This is like going back in time, you guys. Yes.
Hammer was 16 cents per hour.
Cool. A huge thank you to the awesome folks at Finish Line RV Park for their hospitality. We are so excited to see the park continue to grow and can't wait to visit again. We'll come back sometime.